What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I have two new iPhone 10 cases I want to show you from UAG. So we have the Monarch and Plasma cases from UAG, or Urban Armor Gear. So I've been testing out both these cases for a little bit, and I'm ready to give you guys my full thoughts on what I think of the UAG cases for the iPhone 10. So let's check it out. Alright, so here's the first case I'm going to show you from UAG, and this is the Plasma. And so this one retails for $39.95, and it's available in 5 different colors. The one I have here is the Magma. So let's pop it out of the box. So as you can see, it's kind of a nice soft pliable plastic on the edges of the case right here. So that'll definitely offer some good shock absorption. On the inside is like silicone or rubber. I'm not sure exactly what the material is. The back feels like polycarbonate, so it's like a hard plastic, but that is see-through right there. All of the colors, I believe, are see-through. And it has a kind of a cool honeycomb texture right there. I'm not sure if that is coming through. So this is one of those cases that it says meets their military drop standards, and will definitely do a good job of protecting your iPhone 10 while it's in the case. So when you pop it in, let's do some close-ups over here. So on the side of the phone here, we have the opening for the mute switch. Nice big opening for that. We have the volume up and down buttons, and those are being protected, but you can still feel the click through the plastic edge right there. Get to the bottom, we have the microphone, the lightning connector, and the speaker. And so the nice big opening there for the lightning connector, so I didn't have any issues using my larger lightning cables to fit in there. Get to the side here, we have the sleep wake button. That's also being protected, but you can still feel that click through the side of the case right there. And we have the opening there for the 2 cameras, the secondary microphone, and the flash. And you can tell, see there, it's a pretty minimalistic case. It's not too thick. You can see there from the thickness of the case. While it is on the phone, it's doing a good job of protecting it. Definitely going to give you some good corner protection from any kind of drops. There is a slight lip on the case. It doesn't seem so much so because I have a glass screen shield on my phone, but if that glass screen shield was not there, you would be able to see even more lip. But even with the glass screen on my phone, it's still not touching the screen of the glass screen shield on my phone when it's face down. So that is pretty nice that it still has a little bit of an extra lip on there to protect it. So this, like I said, this is the Plasma. It comes in 5 different colors. This is the Magma color. So let's go ahead and check out the Monarch case. Alright, so here we have the Monarch case. This is one of their more premium, I will say, style cases. It actually has a leather, top grain leather on the interior of the case itself. The rest of this is plastic, and then those are metal hardware, screw like alloy hardware in the corners there. So it's kind of a nice little touch for that case. This one retails for $59.95, so about $60. Has a really good grip. This one has a more premium look, like I said. Also, by the way, both of these cases will support Qi charging, so you can, if you have a wireless charger for your iPhone 10, you can use that wireless charger with both of these cases. There should be no problem whatsoever. So when you get the case into there right there, or the phone into the case, you can see we have a nice large opening, real similar to the other one we just saw, the Plasma. Volume up and down buttons similar to the other ones as well. You can still feel the click when you press down on those. Has a nice kind of textured edge to it, like a little octagonal, hexagonal, whatever those shapes are. So a little bit, add some extra grip to it. We have the microphone, lightning connector, and the speaker openings right here. Nice large opening there for the lightning cable. No problems with any of my larger lightning cables. Get to the side here, we have the sleep wake button. Also that grippy texture right here as well. And that button is being protected, but you can still feel the click when you press through there. Get to the back, we have the opening for the camera, dual cameras, and the other microphone. And as you can see there, it's pretty much about the same thickness as the other case there, the Plasma case I just showed you. And very similar with the lip on the edge of the screen. Like I said before, I do have a glass screen shield on my phone, but even with my glass screen shield on my phone, you can still see that there's still a slight lip on there. So if you do put it face down, it's not touching the screen, it's touching the edge of the case. So really nice quality case. This one looks real nice. Between both of them, I mean, I'm not sure, this one retails for $20 more than the other one because it has that leather and it has that more, I guess, premium look to it. So either one of these is pretty nice, but I mean, as far as texture goes, I kind of like the way the Monarch looks on the iPhone 10. That's just my personal opinion. This one also is available in 5 different colors, and obviously this is the black version right here. Alright guys, so those are my thoughts on this product. If you have any questions about it, please post them down below in the comment section. I answer all questions as quickly as possible. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll also have a link down below in the description as well. So if you guys want to check out some of my other video reviews, I have 2 more right here you can check out. Or if you want to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe so you can be notified of my future tech reviews, make sure you click on my face. And that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.